Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue marinade sauce. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need an acid like apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, about 1/4 cup. Next, add 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, such as olive or vegetable oil. Finally, incorporate 2 tablespoons of a sweetener like brown sugar or honey to balance the flavors and help with caramelization. This forms the perfect foundation for your delicious sauce. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. Add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for a savory base. For that classic smoky taste, include 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika. If you enjoy a little kick, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will do the trick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. It adds incredible depth and umami to your marinade, making it truly irresistible. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour everything into a bowl and whisk until well combined and smooth. This is your chance to taste and adjust, perhaps a little more sweetness or a touch more heat. If you prefer a thicker sauce, gently simmer it on low heat for about 10 minutes, allowing it to reduce slightly. Feel free to add fresh herbs like chopped rosemary for an extra layer of flavor. Now that your delicious barbecue marinade is ready, let's talk application. For optimal flavor, marinate your chosen meat for at least 30 minutes or up to 24 hours in the refrigerator. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1/2 cup of marinade for every pound of meat. Remember, always discard any marinade that has come into contact with raw meat. Unused marinade can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.